Good morning children. Today you are going to learn lesson number 24, that is map. Okay, here you are going to learn about identify the simple map of the locality. Here some picture is given below. Observe the pictures given below. Ramesh has drawn a sketch of his classroom. See, this is the drawing sketch of his classroom. This is what table, and this is teacher's chair, and this is blackboard. Okay, and this is a Sheila, a child is sitting in the classroom, and this is Rizia, Disha, and triangle Kevin, and this is window. Okay, and this box is dustbin, and circle Ramesh. Okay, and this is the directions of our direction. This east, south, west, north, north, east, south, west. Okay, remember north, east, south, west. Ramesh has marked his place on the second bench, which is on the right side. Now look at the picture and fill in the blanks with the correct answer. Okay, see, observe the directions and you have to fill in the blanks. Door of Ramesh's classroom is situated in which direction? Where is door? Door is right side. Right side, which direction is there? East. The girl who is sitting in the first row on the right side of Ramesh is right side is east direction. There is a dash between the blackboard and the table. Between blackboard and table, what is there? Teacher's chair. The thing which is situated in the northeast direction of the classroom is northeast. Northeast means this side. This side, which thing is there? Situated in the northeast direction is door and window are there. Disha is sitting on dash bench on the right side of Riyaz. Right side of Riyaz. Where is Disha? Disha is sitting right side of Riyaz, east direction. So according to him, you also draw a simple map of your classroom as Ramesh has done by marking the position of things situated in the classroom. Okay, some important points. A small sketch of a place which gives the picture of the shape of the place, border, features like rivers, hills, roads and buildings. The position and distance between them is called a map. The vast area can be represented on a small piece of paper. You have seen a globe. Okay, in previous lesson you have seen a globe, isn't it? It can be represented in a flat on a piece of paper. It is also a map. The entire earth can be grasped at a glance into it. So one activity for you, this is a model map of a small village has been given here. Write the symbol and details related to the pictures in the index. Okay, see, already you know the directions, 4 direction, north, east, west, south. In right side, what is there? Bus station. Okay, symbols, you have to write the symbols, and for bus station you use different symbol, whether square or a triangle or a rectangle, like that. In upper, what is there? Some houses are there. In left hand side, hospitals are there. And in the down also some tap water is there. Down means south. In the south direction, tap water. North direction, some houses are there. School is there. Bus station, east direction is there. In west direction, hospital is there. Some pictures are there. Match the following. Okay, left hand side symbols are there and in right hand side details are there. What is this? This is sun, tree and moon, and this is the house, and this is a man. Okay, hills, river. Okay children, have you understood? Thank you. We will meet in the next class.